Hello and welcome. This is SinanCisco from 3D Products View. Today I will show you and teach you how to make this great beam laser CNC effect. Open 3D Max and open a new Max file with default setting, and please, before we start anything, we must do the right setting for the environment and the render setup. Okay, press F10 in 3D Max, press F10 to get the render and go to the assign render and assign it to V-Ray, whatever, V-Ray 3 or 2 maybe. Okay, now the next important step is the V-Ray, and the global switches is leave it as is, as basic, and lights on and hidden lights is on. That's okay. The type of the image sampler is adaptive, and no render mask, okay, and filter area. Okay, now the important setting for the GI. The GI is the responsible for the laser beam effect, and now press GI and enable GI and press to choose expert mode, and here we go. The right setting for the expert mode for the GI is irradiance map, and the secondary engine is brute force. That's okay, but here we will change the multiplayer is 1.5. I will make it, and here leave it as 1 as is, and the refractive GI caustics is checked, and I will check the reflective GI caustics. For the saturation, I will make it 1.3, and the contrast here 1.5, and the contrast base is 1, actually, not this one, is 1, okay, and check the AMB calculation, and the right setting is 0.8, leave it, and the radius make it 13.2. okay. For the subdivs, I will make this 16, and the right setting for the irradiance map is high, leave it high, and please make it advanced mode. Here we go. Subdivs here, leave it 50, and the interruption samples leave it 20. okay. Here's the important thing: show direct light, check it. Full preview, leave it as is, and the other setting, leave everything else as is, and brute force GI, make this one 60 subdivs, and the bounces 6. okay, here we go. That's the important setting for the render, and don't forget for here, and the resolution, make it as a HD, or maybe 640 by 40 180. okay. Now this is the important thing about the preparing scene for the render, for the correct setting render, and nothing else here. Let me double check. Okay, close it. Now the environment, press 8 in your keyboard here, and we will change the exposure control to liner exposure control, and just leave the setting as is, 50 here, and construct 50, and exposure value 0, physical scale 1500. It's okay, but the important thing here is the effect. I will go to the effect tab and add the V-Ray lens effect. That's okay, and the right setting for the V-Ray lens effect parameters is here, is bloom. Check it on, and I will make this for the right thing as I wrote it in my hand notebook. Environment, okay, that's it. And the mode, I will put image and render element, and the weight is 50 by 50. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Mode, the image render element, okay. The right value is 53, and the 55 size, the weight 53 and the size 55, and shape I will make it 23. This is after some tests. That will be great. And I will check the glare also and choose frame image from render camera or from image. I will choose image only, that's okay. And the weight 76, change it to 76, and the size make it 60 only, or maybe 62, not matter. Okay, that's it. Now our scene is ready. Keep watching. Okay, now I will go to the important phase. Now is the preparing theme and preparing scene, and now I will go to the V-Ray. I'm sorry, standard. I will make a normal plane here, as you see, and I will convert it to editable poly, and I make the edge selection here by pressing Ctrl in my keyboard and select only the back line or the end line, and I will make some changes here, and okay, I will bring it as a angle, some angle there, and there we go. Okay, that's it. That's all what we need. And now some adjustment here for the scene. Back it to grid, or maybe I will make it here some change for the additional line here, some selection, and grow this one, and that's it. Make it bigger. Okay, now I don't need material right now, but I will change the color for the gray at this moment, or maybe not gray. We'll make it as a blue. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we will talk about the light. The light is very important here. I will make in my scene in a perspective mode and realistic. That's okay, make it realistic please, not shaded. And now I will go to the new light here and V-Ray light, the normal V-Ray light, that one. The first one is the for the floor, and nothing changed in his setting, its setting, and just keep away. Okay, the scene and the background is now ready, and as we say, let me show you. I will make two different type of the lights. One, the V-Ray light as the top, in the top, and now I will create the second one, as you see here, and the direction is here. Actually, that's very important. And please make the normal omni here. You can find it also from the standard lights, and the omni just here. Okay, now we will make the head of the laser nozzle, head nozzle as a part. That's not difficult. Keep watching. I will go to the shapes to extend it, and before extended, I'm sorry, to standard, and I will make a simple cone here, this one. Okay, and I will convert it to the editable poly, and I will go to the my poly as the top and make like this. Let me zoom in. Okay, that's good for me. No editable mesh, no no filter, no turbo smooth, no smooth required. That's only adjustment, a little adjustment, and that's it. Okay, the second shape I will make in extended, I will make the ring wave and the hose. First the ring wave, I will make the ring wave here and choose shape, and I will go to the parameters, leave the options as is. I need only height like this, and that's okay. And the third shape is the hose. I make a simple hose here, and the parameters start, I will make it 50, yeah, 50, that's good. And the end is like 80. Cycle 6, make it 6, bit better. And diameter, make it minus 25. That's good. All the side, that's okay. Let's collect together. Don't attach anything. That's warning. Don't attach any part, even in laser beam. Okay, let's make and rotate this one and bring it like this, and the second part like this, and like this one, and bring it to the top here, okay, in the middle. And this one we will make it small, and go to the options, his options, and we adjust. Okay, no, that's good. Okay, diameter here. Okay, that's good. Okay, bring it also and include it with our part nozzle here, like this. Okay, okay, from the top we need to reposition all parts together. First the ring or the ring wave, I will make it in the center, and our hose also in the center. That's give me more realistic. Okay, now I will make the selection, the all part together, hose and cone and the ring wave, and I will make some change maybe here. No, that's good, we are fine. Now just group them together and capital, and I will make this, I will rename it as head. Now the parts is ready. Let me double check for the GI. Okay, that's okay. Never render, warning, never render. Okay, till now don't render anything. Okay, so the second stage is very important, how to make the laser beam with effect. Till now this group is the head group, and we will bring it here and leave it. Keep watching to see how to make beam. Okay, let me reposition, and I don't use any cameras till now or any view. Make this smaller. Okay, leave it here. Save your work. Let I save it as laser beam green. You can change it again later for red laser. I will show you how to do this. Save. Sorry for my broken English. Okay, let's go to the material and get the laser effect and laser beam. Keep watching. Okay, get the material editor by pressing M in your keyboard, and I suggest to do with arc shaders version 1 or 2. Just from the arc shaders choose one material for the plastic, and I love the plastic. Okay, black plastic. That one is for the our head, and please go to the arc shader version 1 or 2 as your choice, and choose the material for the silver material. Okay, I will add the one for the silver, and the second one is the gold. That's depend on your choice and what you choose, what you love to choose for your head. Maybe all plastic, maybe all steel, as you love. Okay, I will make it all. This one is assigned for object, and this one is also assigned to object. Let's do test render. We are good till now, and as you see, the silver is here, and as a part of this one, it's look like one part, the nozzle, and the nozzle is plastic black, but we will make some arrangement after this to be more realistic with beam, and we will make the plane here with different material, darker. I prefer darker material. Okay, especially if you work with the green laser, that's color issue. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's make material and add the same plastic material to our plane here. That's good. And like press F9. Okay, that's good. Seems good. Takes some time for the render. I press F9 only, not complete F10 render. And the head is complete and the scene is complete. Now the important phase and the stage, it is laser beam. Keep watching. Just I need this render to finish, and after that we will render final render and final material editing. Okay, that's good. Now for the laser, press M and now choose the new standard material and go there, press standard, and now the important thing, go to the V-Ray materials, from V-Ray, from here as you see. Let me close this, and please choose V-Ray light material. That's very important. We will make the laser now. Okay, V-Ray light material, and I will make this one is green, and please not completely green, and I prefer to drag it with little mix with blue here. Okay, maybe we'll change it here. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, and leave it the power, make it 20. I prefer this, and I will make it more greener here. Okay, and make multiply color by opacity. This one is very important, and direct illumination, check it on, and subdiv 16, cut off, delete this one, 0.1. the important stage is here, the opacity. Please press this one and choose from V-Ray maps, fall off. I will search it here. Yeah, from the maps standard and fall off. Okay, yeah, that's one. Now after we make fall off, the fall off parameters will appear. Don't change anything here in colors or arrangement. Fall off type, make it towards away. Yeah, and now the important thing, don't mix curve or anything, or don't use anything here, but go to the output here and change the value as the following. For the output amount, make it 1.71. okay, for the RGB offset, make it minus 0.02. That's great. The RGB levels, make it 0.87. That's okay. And the BMP amount, or the bump, sorry, amount, 1.69. That's okay. Okay, that's the laser. That is the green laser. I will rename here and called green beam, and I will drag this one and copy and rename red beam. Okay, and just I will make the color red, not too much. Okay, don't change anything else. Okay, so we have green and red, and the value and the color, and here this one, this value is responsible for the power of the laser. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, so now close the material editor, and I will make some test here. I need the surface, of course, is the box one as example. The surface or the metal I need to cut or or the make shape to with the laser. Okay, I will make it here, and please note, don't use the solid silver, use the bumped silver or metal or gold or anything. So go to the material editor, and we will choose the, as example, from the arc shaders. Of course I need to choose, I don't know what it is, but I need to, not this one, stainless steel, not this one, this is the plastic SSS. I need to find it. This is so funny. And okay, I will go to my material library and open material libraries from there, and I choose the arc from arc shaders, the metals version 2. Yeah, that's what I need, actually, the brushed. Yeah, I will drag it here, and okay, we will drag it to the surface here, and don't worry about what we see here, because in realistic this is different for the, okay, for the what, I don't know, forget. Okay, so now this is the green laser as we see, and this is the red beam. Okay, let me make a cylinder, a small cylinder for the beam, and just small like this. Okay, I maybe make it more thinner for the radius here, like this. That's okay. And the important thing is here, I will drag it here and make it like this. Now watch the important, this is very important for the effect. Go to top, and I will make it like this. Okay, we are fine. And now go to the lights and V-ray, photometric light, and choose the target light, and just make it here with small move and leave it. So we got here the light. Okay, this is our light. I will make it here like this. Okay, let me see here before we collect with the beam. And now the important thing is here is the template is, I prefer to make 100-watt bulb, and this is very important, is light properties is on and targeted, and here shadows, for the shadows is very important, is on, and make it V-ray shadow. This is very important, and use uniform spherical. And for cleven here I will make this one green, that one, and okay, for cleven value I will make 1200, because this is difference between steel and glass, and I will talk about this later and what is the difference. But the value must be 1 2000, no more 1300 in steel. Okay, intensity, actually I will make the LM value and make it 2000. That's the better results I tested. And here I will make the point, not line or rectangle or disk, use point. Now bring our light here and stick this light in the top, make it with beam here. Okay, just in the center like this. Okay, maybe a little change. For that reason I told you don't attach anything. Now bring it and stick it with the beam. Okay, and bring map and use this one for cylinder only. Okay, that one. Now with your control, please select both the targeted light and the beam and just make like this to simulate the laser point here and the laser effect. Okay, and bring it like this and make it a test, render test, F9. Whoa, look at this one, that's amazing, amazing laser. Yeah, actually this is the point in the laser CNC as a realistic one, and we will see what happened and why that's happened. That's because the light, the top light it's not hidden. We will hide this, and the brushed material, actually the brushed material, I prefer to use brushed material because this materials is responsible for the reflection and refraction here. And let the render finished. Okay, come on, come on, come on. That's nice. That's nice laser with good position. Okay, so I need more. What can I do? Maybe I will make it this one here. Okay, it's good. And now I will bring my head now here and just make as center, in center, to simulate the drop laser. And now you can see actually like this, and I need to make this one like this. That's okay, and you'll see everything is fine now. Okay, it and the center also. Yeah, that's it. Now I will make some changes for the light, and this one make it far, and for the top one is make it also far away from the scene here by drag it more top, and this one make it here to simulate more darkness. This is very important for green laser. And let's do another test render. Okay, let me see. F9. Oh, I'm sorry, forget this. Don't worry about it, you will fix it. Yeah, that's what I need. The reflection here to simulate power of the laser from the nozzle and the plastic and the drop point in the metal. That's good. Absolutely, you can make your laser is more brighter or more darkness or change color in the material editor. Let's finish. That would be great. And as you see here, okay, you can make any change you want, and you see it's necessary. That's good. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let we make some changes also here. Okay, okay. I will make this one, and I go to the properties and make it plain but invisible. Okay, that's great. And now you can create the camera position. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's make the camera position by pressing Ctrl C, camera 1, and press M to change. How to change? Yeah, this is very important. So for that reason I told you not attach, don't attach anything. So the cylinder, I will make it red laser, and I now close the material editor and just click here. Don't change any value, or don't make it down or up, because we need every value is be centered. So I go to filter color in this one and make it red. That's it. Okay, let we see the final render. Before final render, we'll see the first rendering setup. Actually, this reflection comes from the Omni, I think, or the other one. We will make it also invisible. Okay, yeah, that's it. I hope you see everything is now clear, and how to make laser effect, laser beam with nozzle. I do many search for the internet and YouTube. I didn't find the way or what we do here. So I decided to make this video for you, and this is what I need in the laser, actually, that one, that effect, and yeah, that's it. So just stop the render and make some keyframe here. Oh, by the way, I promise you to talk about what the difference between laser or laser beam power with stainless steel or metal and the glass. In glass, please open your material editor and bring the pure glass, or what glass you need. Let we see, and let we say we need acrylic, and the acrylic is the big pixie glass or whatever you need. Like example here, I love glass clear here, not absolutely 100% clear, but I will make it this one. And here's the important thing. In the cleaving here, we will make this one as 2800. Okay, that's what you need in glass. This is the only difference. Now let's render to test. Yeah, that's it, because I need the reflection, and the laser is going through the material, in this case in the glass, and I see the laser is the front and the top, and from all sides actually. That simulate the CNC with acrylic pixie glass, or glass maybe, or cutting glass. So thank you very much for your watching, and please share the video and subscribe the video if you want. Subscribe channel. This is a new channel, this is a new trial channel, and this is for absolutely for your e-learning in 3D Studio Max. This is SinanCisco with you. Actually, I will make some keyframes to simulate how to move the nozzle with the lid with all part in one movement. This is so easy. Just group them in the one group and make your keyframe auto key and simulate it. Let we check it. Okay, I need to see my glass. Absolutely, you can change your here. You can change the omni position and the light position and this material for background and whatever you need in your scene. This is only demonstration the laser beam with nozzle and with the reflection and refraction for the laser effect. You can find this product in cgtrader.com, and it's not for free. It's only for $5, or maybe to install it, and to install the full scene I made it is perfectly. And if you don't purchase anything, you can learn from this video. Okay, and about finish. Yeah, that's what I need in glass, but in other words, I can what I make it here, and let me change this one and back here and group this one and called beam, and we have two groups, the nozzle as the head group and the beam, and grouped all as one group is laser. That's it. You can now change position and reposition and make this one bright, and or this like this point, and move in keyframes like this auto key, and make every 5 or 10 movement as you want, like this or like this, or make it like this and this, and here this, and you can add your text as you see in the first little video, and we are done. That's very easy. Turn off auto key and you see, just render, but render it in AVI and don't change anything in render settings. And this is the best setting I see and I test by myself for the lights and the V-Ray type render setup GI. Thanks for watching. This is SinanCisco. Hope this is useful video for you.